Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bright Mind channel. If you're preparing for the IELTS in 2025, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll dive into the big changes in the IELTS exam and discuss how you can adapt your preparation strategies to stay ahead of the game. The International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, is one of the most recognized English proficiency tests worldwide. But like any exam, IELTS evolves to meet test takers' needs in the changing global landscape. So, what's new for IELTS in 2025? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the changes you'll see in the test format and scoring. Change number 1, new listening section features. The listening section has undergone some important updates. The accents used in the audio clips are now more diverse, from regional to international varieties. So, you may hear speakers with accents from places like South Africa, India, or Canada, rather than just the usual British or American accents. This means you need to be ready for a wider range of listening challenges. Change number 2, shorter speaking test. That's right, IELTS is reducing the length of the speaking test. The interview will now be a bit more concise, lasting around 10 minutes instead of the usual 12 to 14 minutes. However, don't get too relaxed. You'll need to make every second count. Change number 3, more focus on academic skills. The writing and reading sections place greater emphasis on assessing your ability to analyze data and interpret complex ideas. In 2025, you can expect a shift toward tasks that test your critical thinking and ability to engage with advanced texts. Change number 4, the new specialist writing task. If you're taking the academic IELTS, a new task format may appear where you'll have to write reports based on data interpretation and prediction. This requires not only writing skill, but also a strong understanding of presenting data and making inferences. So, with all these changes, how can you adapt your preparation to ensure success? Let's talk strategies next. Now that we know what's changed, let's discuss how to adjust your study approach for IELTS 2025. It's all about refining your skills and practicing smart. Tip number 1, familiarize yourself with multiple accents. Since you'll hear a wider variety of accents in the listening section, practice listening to different English speakers. Use podcasts, YouTube videos, or language learning apps that feature a diverse range of English speakers to get used to different tones, speed, and pronunciation. Tip number 2, practice time management for the shortened speaking test. Since the speaking test is now shorter, it's crucial to express yourself clearly and concisely. Focus on providing detailed answers, but keep them brief enough to allow for follow-up questions. One way to do this is by practicing with a timer. Tip number 3, focus on critical thinking for reading and writing. In 2025, the reading and writing sections demand more from you than just understanding the text. You'll need to think critically, identify main ideas, and analyze complex arguments. Practice reading academic articles, reports, and data-driven texts. Tip number 4, prepare for specialist writing tasks. For academic IELTS, work on describing graphs, tables, and data trends clearly and accurately. You should also be ready to write short, concise summaries that focus on key patterns and insights. And don't forget, practice is key. Regular mock tests and practice papers will keep you prepared and confident. To wrap it up, here are some final tips for your IELTS preparation in 2025. 1. Stay updated on any further IELTS announcements. Test formats can sometimes change even closer to exam day. 2. Take advantage of official IELTS prep materials, which will give you the most accurate representation of what to expect in the test. 3. Stay calm and focused on exam day. Confidence is half the battle. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope this gives you an idea of what to expect from IELTS in 2025 and how to best prepare. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more IELTS tips and tricks. Good luck with your studies, and remember, with Bright Mind, you're always one step ahead. See you in the next video.